There are scholarships that are available for literally almost every field of study, but sometimes they are difficult to get. And this video, I'm presenting with you one scholarship that is for Catholics, mainly Catholics, and it's a scholarship that is by the German government for Catholics to study any master's program in Ghana and PhD program in Germany. So basically, it's called the KAAD program. So the website is KAAD, KAAD application.de. It's a German scholarship and it runs throughout the year. So Catholic academic, sorry, I can't read German, but basically it's Catholic academic exchange program with the Dutch government or the government of German. And this is what happens. It's always open. It's an open scholarship that are always open, and they have more preference for Catholics who've completed the undergraduate or master's program. And they should be people who are active in religious and social areas. So as a Catholic, probably you've held a number of positions on campus, in school and all that. So these are scholarships that if you've held positions before, it's an advantage for you to apply. I've actually gone through the process. That was last year, but because I wasn't having all my documents, I actually did not complete it. It's an open scholarship that is always open. So what you're required to fill is your surname, your first name. So you can just pick up your phone, go to the website and start applying right now. Gender, your age, religious affiliation, more information about the religious group, address, email, nationality, and degree. So here specifications. So the course that you studied and all that. So we have overall grade that you just choose from. So German proficiency, it's not compulsory. If you don't have German proficiency, just put no knowledge in German. Employed if you are employed. So intended study of program. If you are in Ghana or there are some African countries that is actually open to. If you're in these countries, you can do in-country scholarship, which is to study master's degree. In Ghana, you can only study it in KNUST. That is where you can do your master. So you have to look for a program in KNUST. So you put in the program and the course here. So do you want to study in? So when you choose all that, it will give you the options here. It will give you the options and all that. So we have masters, PhD, and research projects. So with masters, it's in country, and you can study it only in Ghana, Kenya, and some other African countries. That's if you are in that country. And we have PhD that is also in Germany, and you have to follow the due process. We have career objectives, applying on the recommendations of who. Religious commitment, so you can just choose whichever that applies to you. And once you are done, you just click on agree, send application. And once you send it, when they are open to when they are open to pick up applicants or to shortlist applicants, they will pick up your application and follow with an email. So probably around March, they will follow up, and somewhere in June also, they also do follow-ups. So you just apply for it and see how it goes, if you're a Catholic more specifically. And that's basically about the KAAD. You can search more about it. Just this video to give a general idea of what the KAAD scholarship is all about and how you can take advantage of it. Thank you very much. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.